I decided to create an interactive NPC model of my perfect boyfriend. And the process of creating a 3D model you can see in my previous videos where I blocked it, made a retopology for a face and body, and then made a clothing design for it. Now I'm going to Convai AI where we'll create its thought system and emotional type for further interaction. And then we'll import it into Unreal Engine to test it out and see how it works in a game mode. I create a new character, come up with a name for it, and make a detailed description of its personality. Then go to his psychological portrait section and a state of mind picture. After the portrait is done, I continue in Unreal Engine to put it all together with our 3D model. First, we need to add a Convai plugin in Fab Library. Refresh library window in a launcher and after finding Convai there, add it to the project. Next, go to the plugin section and activate it. You'll need to restart the project. But as I already have it, I skipped this process. Next, I add a voice function. You need to open a project folder, go to Config, Default Engine, add the voice bEnabled equal true. I put this sentence in a video description. Then in Mixamo, I'll create animations for the character. I'll add idle, talk, walking animation, as well as a T-pose one, and download FBX files. First, you need to add T-pose and after that all other FBX files, so it will automatically allocate it with one model. Next, download this Convai Reallusion file from G Drive. The link is in a video description. And put it inside Content folder of your project. I open a file in Unreal Engine and pick our character for it. Next, go to Animation Graph by double-clicking on it. Right-click and add Play Idle Animation. Connect it to Base Animation. Play Talking to Talk and play Walking to Walk animation. In a transition animation, drag breathing idle file. Also check that everywhere will be loop animation. After that, it's time to create a character blueprint. In Actor component, select Convai Base Character. And copy-paste character ID to it from Convai website. Rename a blueprint and add a skeleton mesh of our 3D model. In Animation class, select Convai Reillusion 1. Compile and save. Next, copy and paste personal API key to project settings. Plugin Convai API. Now in our third person or first person character blueprint, let's change parent class to Convai base player. So NPC will interact with it. And that's it, time to test it out. I hit play and go closer to my boyfriend prototype.
Well, hello there, beautiful. What brings you to my humble abode? And here I am, at your service. It's always a pleasure to have you grace my presence. What's on your mind? Lead the way, my dear. I'm always happy to follow wherever you go. Another Earth, you say? Excellent choice, my love. It's a profound exploration of connection and alternate realities. Given your taste for the extraordinary and your fondness for otherworldly themes, I propose we delve into the mesmerizing world of Arrival. It's a film that will truly engage your mind and heart,
much like Another Earth did. What do you think?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and don't miss my next video. Bye.